since 2022, hindi na ako nagmo-moisturizer. A game changer in my skincare routine. I promise you. In 4 months, nag-clear siya. This one never left my skincare routine. It's just that effective. I've been gatekeeping this for so long. As in, hey loves, again back to my channel. This video is long overdue because a lot of you have been requesting this so many times. Sobrang tagal na rin. And today, finally, I'm going to share with you my skincare routine. Ang dami talagang nag-ask sa inyo, even in my previous videos, nagko-comment kayo na skincare video naman ang next. Finally, I'm going to share it with you today. And if you have been a subscriber of mine for quite a while, na subaybayan yung aking skin journey, in my early years, talagang hindi ko problem yung aking skin. Thankfully, thank you Lord. I'm not an acne-prone girl, so usually wala naman ako nagiging problems, but I do get acne at times. So, minsan nagkaka-acne rin ako, mga tumutubo, pailan-ilan, ganyan. Pero yun lang yon, hindi naman talaga ako nagkakaroon ng breakout or what. But since the pandemic, dun talaga nag-start na maka-experience ako ng acne breakout or acne problem, mainly on my forehead. So, yung forehead area ko talaga yung nag-break out ng malala. I think it began in year 2020 or late 2020. Basta until 2022, problema ko talaga yung forehead area ko because of those acne breakout na hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kasi yung forehead area ko lang talaga yung merong acne, but the rest of my skin dito sa face ko, wala talaga. So with that, ang dami kong tinry na skincare products, which I realized na hindi pala maganda, na ang dami-dami mong sinusubukan. Tapos kapag hindi umeffect sa'yo, magta-try ka na naman ng bago. So, hindi maganda yon. Kasi for you to see the result of a certain product, you have to try it or test it out for at least a couple of months para talagang makita mo yung effect ng product na yun sa skin mo. In my case, ang nangyari kasi, nag-try ako ng product na ganito, tapos hindi siya naging effective. Ayan, so, stop ko na yon, tapos try na naman ako ng bago. So, hindi maganda yun sa skin kasi nagiging harsh na siya sa ating balat. So, yun, na-realize ko na hindi rin pala tama na yun yung ginawa ko. Pwede naman siguro if you try a certain product tapos hindi naging effective sa'yo, stop for a while, discontinue using that product, tapos huwag ka munang gumamit ulit ng panibago. So, let your skin rest or let your skin heal muna para malaman mo talaga kung ano yung nagkakos ng breakout. Fast forward to late 2022, I remember that talagang sobrang namumroblema na ako kasi I'm going to get married in April 2023. So, matatapos yung 2022, problema ko pa rin siya. Sabi ko naman, ayoko naman pagdating ng kasal ko. I mean, gusto ko clear yung skin ko on my wedding day. Syempre naman, kahit sino naman, ganun yung gusto, diba? So, what I did was, I consulted with a dermatologist. So, nagpunta ako dun sa derma clinic na pinupuntahan ng mga kapatid ko. So, dun sila nagpapa-facial and all. Kasi ako, I don't do facial. Hindi naman talaga ako nagpapa-facial. Kasi nga, hindi nga problematic yung skin ko. So, that time, I was so convinced na, yes, sige, tatry ko na magpa-facial. Baka kailangan ko lang ng facial para matigil na yung breakout sa forehead ko. But then, when I arrived at the derma clinic, so, in-advise nila na maggamot muna ako on my face. So, bibigyan nila ako ng gamot, tapos tingnan daw muna natin if mag-heal siya. Kasi kapag tinreat siya, I mean, pagka pinrik or what, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin nila, baka daw lalong mag-scar. In short, hindi nila ako ni-recommend magpa-facial. So, in-advise muna nila na i-try yung meds nila, yung skincare nila. Tingnan ko muna raw if magiging effective. So, sige ako, okay, bumili ako ng gamot sa kanila. So, I tried it since then. So, I remember that was around December 2022. And for a month, napansin ko talaga na slowly nababawasan yung pag-emerge or pagtubo ng mga acne. Kasi before talaga, as in day by day, nadadagdagan siya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kasi I've been using the same makeup products. Yung skincare ko, same lang din naman. Pero ganun nga, day by day, talagang nag-worsen yung kanyang condition. So ayun, tinuloy-tuloy ko lang yung paggamit ng meds na binigay sa akin ng derma clinic na yon. And also, I remember that time, yung kausap ko dun sa derma clinic na pinuntahan ko, sinabi niya rin na, ma'am, baka yung nagkakos ng breakout nyo sa forehead nyo is yung buhok nyo. Kasi I really have a lot of baby hair. Right now, it's tamed yung mga baby hair ko kasi I'm using products to keep them away from my face. Kasi isa yon sa natutunan ko. Na-prove ko talaga na yung mga baby hair na tumutusok-tusok dito sa forehead ko, nagkakos talaga siya ng breakout. So, since then, talagang I've been keeping my baby hairs away from my forehead, from my face. Kaya ayan, talagang nakatulong siya sa pag-clear ng aking forehead area. Bukod doon, I've been continuing yung meds or yung binigay sa aking gamot ng derma. And in 4 months, nag-clear siya. So, on my wedding day, I'm so happy. Hindi problematic yung skin ko that day. So, sobrang saya ko talaga that day. Kasi gusto ko nga clear yung skin ko, hindi siya textured tingnan. Para maganda in photos and in videos. Since then, ayun talagang I never changed my skincare routine. Kasi before, since I do content, I do try products, talagang hindi maiwasan na mag-try ako ng mga panibagong skincare products. But I learned to stick with my skincare products that really work for me. Kasi sa totoo lang, yung skin natin, hiyangan din naman talaga yan. So, kung saan ka hiyang, dun ka na lang mag-stick. Huwag ka na masyadong mag-try or mag-explore ng other skincare products unless talagang you need to. So, kung meron kang certain concern na kailangan i-address, so that's when you try. Pero paunti-unti lang ha. Huwag yung marami kayong tinatry na products all at once kasi nga hindi maganda yun. Masyadong mabibigla yung skin natin. Napahaba na yata yung intro ko, but I really wanted to share with you my skincare journey para alam nyo, may background kayo and para makatulong sa inyo na nakaka-experience ng ganong experience that I had before. So, hopefully this video would help you, but just a disclaimer, I am not an expert or the right person to prescribe a skincare product that you should use. Ako, masasuggest ko talaga sa inyo to visit your derma, a certified dermatologist para talaga mabigyan kayo ng necessary prescription na talagang kailangan ng skin nyo. So with that, let me share with you the products that I use as my skincare. The first product that I will share with you, this is what I use as my facial soap in the morning. So iba yung ginagamit kong soap sa gabi. So ito, sa umaga ko siya ginagamit. And this one is from Skin Trends. So ito yung derma clinic na nire-refer ko sa inyo kung saan ako nag-consult and sila yung nagbigay ng mga gamot na ginagamit ko for my skin. So this is what it looks like, yung Glycopapain soap nila. I'm sorry, wala na sa akin yung box nito kasi kapag bumibili ako ng soap na to, talagang automatic kinakat ko na siya into pieces just like this one para ma-maximize ko talaga siya kasi if gagamitin mo yung buong bar or yung buong soap in one use, mabilis siyang matunaw. So that's how it is naman kapag kaya mga papain soap. So kinakat ko talaga siya kaya nakaganito na siya. Nilagay ko siya sa isang plastic na nakakat na siya into pieces and matagal talaga siya bago maubos. Kaya I recommend na kapag may mga ganito kayong soaps, i-cut nyo siya into pieces para talagang matipid nyo and ma-maximize nyo yung paggamit sa kanila. So, this is what I use in the morning. So, the way I use this, simple lang. So, i-lather nyo lang siya sa water. Tapos, gently massage nyo lang siya sa inyong skin. So, wag masyadong harsh. So, I use my beauty finger, itong ating ring finger. So, yun yung pinang mamassage ko sa kanya. So, for about 30 seconds, ganyan. Hindi siya mahapdi sa skin ha. May mga ganitong type of soaps na mahapde sa skin. So, this one hindi talaga siya mahapde, which I really like. It's gentle and I believe it whitens your face kasi it's a papain soap, diba? Glycopapain soap. So, nakakatulong siya to whiten your acne marks if you have, yung mga hyperpigmentation. So, this is what I use in the morning, yung Glycopapain soap nila. And then, sa gabi naman, iba yung ginagamit ko. At night, I use their transparent soap. So, still from Skin Trends. So, ganito naman yung itsura niya. So, kinot ko rin siya into pieces. So, nakalagay lang siya sa plastic. So, ganito naman, as in transparent siya, as in very clear. So, I cut it into really thin pieces para ma-maximize ko rin siya. So, this is what I use in the evening. So, the way I use it, ganun din. I lather it on my face for about 30 seconds. Pero, in the evening, I lather this on my face twice. So, meron akong first wash, tapos, isa pa ulit, second wash, para talagang ma-make sure ko na walang magka-clog sa aking pores. Kasi anything that clogs your pores, magkakos ng acne yon or acne breakout. So, I make sure to double wash my face with this at night. So, ayun, yun yung mga facial soaps na ginagamit ko. Hindi talaga siya aesthetic tingnan kasi wala yung mga boxes sila na itapon ko. But you get it. So, this is for the morning, yung Glycopapain soap nila. And at night, ito namang transparent soap. Next products that I will share with you are my toners. Ito yung ginagamit ko as my toners. Still from Skin Trend. So, ito rin, meron siyang in the morning and meron ding for night. So, sa umaga, ang ginagamit ko is yung kanilang Dermasol Lotion Anti-Acne. And ganyan yung bottle niya. And then, this one contains 120 ml. So, ano lang siya talaga, typically a toner. So, ganito lang siya, as in watery lang siya, ganyan, toner. So, I apply this with a cotton pad. And i-recommend ko rin sa inyo itong ginagamit kong cotton pad or cotton round. So, this is from the brand Clean, yung kanilang cotton rounds. Soft siya and hindi siya rough sa skin. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. Feeling ko factor din yung mga ginagamit nating cotton pads or cotton rounds for our skin. Kasi kapag medyo rough, syempre, magkakos din yun ng, alam nyo, yung parang irritation or I'm not sure. Basta ito yung ginagamit ko. Hindi siya mabilis mapunit kasi di ba may mga cotton pad na kapag ginanon mo, naghihiwa-hiwalay na. Ito hindi. So, again, Dermasol lotion, I use it in the morning. So, after I wash my face with a Glycopapane soap, ito na yung ina-apply ko. Itong Dermasol lotion. And then, pag gabi naman, ito yung ginagamit ko, yung clarifying lotion naman nila. So, same bottle lang. Yan. And then, ganun lang din siya, liquidy lang din. So, this is what I use in the evening after washing my face with the transparent soap. So, ito naman yung kasunod, yung clarifying lotion. So, I put it dun sa cotton round. Tapos, i-apply ko lang siya sa aking skin. So, the way you apply it pala ha, huwag i-drag. So, just gently pat it to your skin in an upward motion. Lagi kong sinasabi yan sa mga skincare videos ko. So, make sure that all parts of your skin or your face ay ma-applyan. So, kailangan yon. And then, after that, binabaliktad ko lang yung cotton round na yon. And then, I apply again the Dermasol lotion. So, dun sa kabilang side ng cotton round, I apply this again. So, yes, twice a day ko tong ginagamit yung Dermasol lotion. Kaya, mas mabilis tong maubos. Kasi itong clarifying lotion, I only apply it once a day. At night lang. And yung shinare ko sa inyo na routine na yon, that is prescribed by Skin Trend. So, kaya I recommend that you visit your derma clinic. So, kung gusto nyo rin namang mag-consult with Skin Trends, you can. If you live around here in Laguna, meron dito sa Calamba, sa Walter Mart Makiling. Meron din naman sa yung malapit sa Nuvali. And then, meron din sa Santa Rosa, Balibago yata. And I'm not sure if meron pa rin sila sa Alabang kasi before meron sila sa Festival Mall. So, isearch nyo na lang. Marami naman silang branches here. By the way, this video is not sponsored. Hindi nila ako sponsored. How I wish, diba? Sponsored nila ako. Kasi talagang umeffect yung product sila sa akin. Kasi in 4 months talaga before my wedding day, nag-clear yung skin ko. In fairness. So, those are the 4 products that I have from their clinic. So, yung Glycopapane soap, yung transparent soap, and then yung toners nila na Dermasol lotion and clarifying lotion. Now, the next few products that I will share with you, hindi na ito from Skin Trend. So, mabibili nyo na to sa Watsons. The next product that I will show you, this is what I use as my serum. So, this one is from Dr. Sensitive, the Tea Tree and Aloe Vera Pimple Relief Serum. My OG. Never talagang nawala ito sa aking skincare routine. Even when I was breaking out na sobrang problematic na ako. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko masosolve and may heal yung mga acne ko. This one never left my skincare routine. It's just that effective. Sobra-sobra ko tong love. As in, it's a very liquidy serum. Ganyan siya. It absorbs really well to your skin. So, sobrang mabilis lang din siyang i-absorb ng skin. And it's very lightweight and it's not sticky at all. And talagang maganda siya pang maintain ng skin mo para maiwasan yung mga acne, ganyan. Kasi it contains tea tree and aloe vera para talagang ma-address yung acne breakout and para ma-lighten yung mga blemishes nyo. So, the way I use this one, I use it twice a day in the morning and at night. So, after my toner, ito yung ginagamit ko. So, ina-apply ko siya on my skin. So, ganun lang din with my beauty finger. I gently massage it to my skin in an upward motion. Talagang nililift ko talaga yung aking skin. Tapos, minamassage ko siya in a way hanggang forehead. And don't forget this. I learned this and I read this from somewhere. And for me, very effective talaga siya. When applying your serums, you apply the pat and slap technique. So, paano ba yon? Pat and slap. Talagang literal na parang sinasampal mo yung skin mo. So, when you apply apply your serum, so kapag ka na spread yun na siya sa inyong face, you pat and slap your skin. So, ang ginagawa ko with my 4 fingers, talagang pinapat ko. Halos yung parang medyo may konting sakit na siya. Huwag naman sobra, konti lang, para lang maramdaman ng skin nyo. Dito sa cheek area, and then dito sa forehead. So, ganon, dito sa cheeks, and then sa forehead. Para mag-penetrate talaga yung product, yung skincare product na ginagamit nyo to your skin. So, talagang effective siya para makapag-penetrate talaga yung inyong skincare. And then next, right after that serum, I don't use any moisturizer anymore. A game changer in my skincare routine, I promise you. When I remove that from my skincare, talagang nag-change yung aking skin. Nag-improve siya in a way. Kasi before, feeling ko lang ito based lang sa aking mga experience or feeling ko lang talaga siya. I think yung moisturizer, masyado niyang naka-clog yung aking skin. Kaya yun, nagkakos din siya ng breakout. Kasi moisturizers are heavier than serums. Mas makapal sila sa mga ganitong serum. Kasi ito talagang manipis lang talaga sila sa balat. So yung moisturizer, mas makapal sila, which I think nagkakos siya ng clogging sa aking pores. Kaya I stopped using moisturizers already. Since 2022, hindi na ako nagmo-moisturizer. So that has been my parang secret. So ngayon, hindi ko na siya i-gatekeep. I'm not using any moisturizer anymore. So after my serum, I immediately apply sunscreen. So for my sunscreen, I'm still using the Hyaloo Glow Boost with Hydra Vitamin Technology Water Cream with SPF 50 PA++++. So this is what I use as my sunscreen. It's very liquidy, kaya I store it na nakaganito sa aking skincare bag. Nakaganyan siya. Kasi pag bukas mo, talagang tutulo talaga. So ganito yung itsura ng water cream. Ayan. So it's very white kapag dinispense mo. But when you apply to your skin, it just marries your skin. Nagiging transparent na din siya. And I really like this one kasi nakakatulong talaga siya mag-glow yung skin ko. So after applying this one, I can immediately see yung healthy glow or pagiging radiant ng aking skin with the use of this sunscreen. But just be careful when applying this kasi it has SPF. Of course, it's a sunscreen. So don't apply it to your eye area kasi talagang, alam mo yun, mahihilam ka kasi mahapdi siya. And the way I apply it, by the way, I use the 2-finger method. Ganyan. So 2-finger, although medyo kinontian ko lang, pero usually mas marami yung dinidispense ko. But just for the demo, apply nyo siya sa 2 fingers nyo so that you get the maximum coverage or protection that you need. Kasi kapag konti lang, baliwala lang din yung pag-apply nyo ng sunscreen. Next naman, I'm going to share with you my eye cream. And I have tried a lot of eye creams also. Pero this one, I think pinaka-effective kasi I can really see results. Nade-depuff niya talaga yung aking under eye. So when I apply this one, kikita ko talaga yung immediate effect niya. Nade-depuff niya. And nalalighten niya rin talaga yung mga dark circles ko dyan under my eyes. I'm using the Lux Organics Bright Eyes Eye Cream. Ang ingay ng mga aso, no? Kada na lang talaga nag-film ako. Either may naggagawa ng, alam mo, may construction or may mga aso. Anyway, kung naririnig nyo man, ignore na lang natin. So again, this is the eye cream that I use. The way I apply this, I apply it here on my ring finger, yung sa beauty finger pa rin. I apply a small dot, ganyan. And then, ginaganto ko lang siya. Tapos, i-apply ko siya dun sa under eye ko. And I also include my eyelids. And especially dito sa side ng aking eyes. Kasi diba nagkaka-wrinkles tayo dyan. So, ina-apply ko rin siya doon. And gently lang, gently tap lang. Para talagang iwasan niyo yung pagkakaroon ng wrinkles. So, huwag niyo siyang i-drag. After kong i-apply yung aking sunscreen, ito naman yung isusunod ko. So, i-apply ko na to on my under eyes. Malapit na tayong matapos. Just a few products to go. So, next naman, this is the spot cream that I use that I really find so effective. I've been gatekeeping this for so long. As in, it's quite pricey for a spot cream, but it will last you a very long time kasi matipid siyang gamitin. This one is from CosRX, yung kanilang Ultimate Spot Cream. Ganito yung kanyang itsura. So, you can get this online too. And ito yung ginagamit kong acne cream, spot cream, ganyan. So, maganda yung kanyang packaging kasi it's a tube packaging. You can really squeeze out the product. So, ganyan lang din siya. Parang kakulay siya ng eye cream. So, ina-apply ko to on areas na meron akong pimple or acne. Or sometimes kahit wala nga, parang ginagamit ko pa rin siya. The way I use this, especially on my night skincare routine, I apply it on my forehead kasi yan nga nga yung aking problematic area. So, even na wala akong acne dyan, talagang nag-a-apply ako a very thin layer of the spot cream. And then, here on my nose area, especially sa mga gilid-gilid, kasi diba dyan yung may mga sumisingit na mga whiteheads, blackheads. So, regardless kung meron man akong acne or wala, nilalagyan ko pa rin siya. Basta manipis lang kapag wala naman akong tinitreat. And then, on my cheek area, kahit wala din, naglalagay ako ng manipis na layer. And then, here on my chin. So, parang yun yung pinaka-maintenance ko. Kahit wala akong tinitreat, I still apply this because it's that gentle. Hindi siya mahapde. Hindi siya stinging. As in, very mild lang siya. And nakaka-treat talaga siya ng acne. It's very, very effective. But if I do have an acne na kailangan i-treat, so, ang ginagawa ko, binababad ko talaga siya. So, medyo makapal yung layer na ilalagay ko. For example, meron ako dito, a-applyin ko talaga siya ng makapal na layer of this one. The next day, talagang umiimpis siya or minsan talagang nagda-dry na agad. Depende kung gaano grabe yung acne mo. So, I apply it at night and also in the morning. Twice a day ko din to ginagamit. So, in the morning, ang ginagawa ko naman, nag-a-apply din ako dito sa forehead ng very thin layer. Sobrang nipis lang ha. And then dito rin sa nose. So, doon ako nag-a-apply before doing my makeup. Sa akin, parang ano ko lang yon, prevention. Yun yung parang pinaka-barrier ko para ma-make sure ko na hindi ma-irritate yung skin ko. Nakalimutan ko palang i-share sa inyo, dapat ito yung first step nyo sa inyong night skincare routine, lalo na if you wear makeup every day or if you wear makeup on that day. So, make sure to double cleanse. So, ako, ang ginagawa ko at night before I do my skincare, nag-remove muna ako ng makeup ko with the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water in Oil. Ito yung ginagamit ko because at the same time, it removes waterproof makeup. So, yung mga waterproof mascara ko, natatanggal niya talaga effectively. Ang ganda niyang pang double cleanse kasi hindi niya na-dry out yung skin mo because it has oil. So, after mo siyang gamitin, so, I apply it with a cotton pad too. Minimake sure ko na lahat ng areas ng face ko, kasulok-sulukan, ka-cleanse ko siya with this one para ma-make sure kung hindi talaga magka-clog yung pores ko. So, if I wear a little bit heavy makeup on that day, I apply it twice. So, first cleanse, ayan. So, tatanggalin ko yung makeup ko. And then, second cleanse ulit with this one before I head on to my night skincare routine. Ako nga, kahit hindi ako nag-wear ng makeup on that day, para lang matanggal mo yung mga impurities or yung may mga dirt, of course, na nakuha ng skin mo on that day, use this one as part of your skincare routine at night. So, yun lang naman. Feeling ko talagang effect talaga kapag nagdo-double cleanse. Okay, last two products na tayo. Itong last two products na to, parang additional lang siya sa aking skincare routine. It's not really part of my everyday skincare routine kapag lang kailangan ko siya. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. So, if I feel na extra dry or extra dull yung aking skin, I use these products. So, these products are from the brand COSRX din. So, it's their advanced snail mucin line. So, I have here the essence, yung kanilang advanced snail 96 mucin power essence. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Diba, kita nyo, konti pa lang yung nababawas ko because I don't really use it that often kapag kailangan ko lang talaga. But, lately, parang ginagamit ko na rin siya everyday. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kasi, pag ginagamit ko siya, nakikita ko, nagiging very supple yung skin ko. Parang yung mochi skin. Na pagka ginanon mo yung skin mo, talagang makita mo kung gaano ka-supple and ka-healthy yung skin. So, ganito naman yung itsura nung essence. So, with snail mucin, talagang sticky sila. So, you would see na talagang ganyan, no? It's really sticky. Ito talaga, ginagamit ko siya kapag extra dry or extra dull yung aking skin because it really leaves your skin looking healthy and radiant. Kapag kahilamos ko sa umaga, ako lang ba yun? Yung pag-umaga, yung pag-gising ko, hindi naman ako agad-agad automatic nagsi-skincare. Kayo, comment down below, nagsi-skincare ba agad kayo? As in yung full day skincare nyo kapag gising nyo or kapag kaligo nyo na? Kasi ako pagkagising ko, hindi. As in, hilamos lang ako before with water. Yun lang. Ayun, lately, I use this when I wash my face in the morning. So, with damp skin, ina-apply ko kaagad to. And sobrang ganda pag inabsorb na ng skin ko. Ang ganda-ganda niyan. Ang ganda-ganda ng effect. Before, hindi ko siya ginagamit everyday. But now, ginagamit ko na siya. Basta hindi ko malimutan pagkahilamos ko sa umaga. Before ako kumilos, mag-prepare for work, ina-apply ko to. It has been doing good on my skin. So, let's see. Kukontinue ko na ganun every morning pagka wash ko ng face ko. So, I'll continue doing that. And then, yung other one naman, this one is their all-in-one cream naman. So, ganun din yung advanced Snail 92. Ito naman, Snail 96. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga number na yun. But this one, Snail 92 all-in-one cream. So, this acts as a moisturizer. So, di ba nga sabi ko sa inyo, I don't use moisturizers anymore. But, I do use this kapag yun nga sobrang dry. Yung as in nagbibitak-bitak. Because there are times naman, lalo na nung December, di ba, medyo malamig yung panahon. So, may time talaga na nagda-dry yung aking skin. So, I make sure to use this one on days like that. So, it's really, really, really sticky. See that? Ganyan siya. Kaya sobrang halos puno pa rin niya kasi nga hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit. So, pag kailangan lang talaga kasi nga, you know, ayan. This is how it looks like. Sobrang sticky niya talaga. And when I use this one, by the way, kapag talagang kailangan ko, I only use it at night, not in the morning. Kasi nga, because of its heavy formula, its heavy consistency, hindi siya mag-work sa akin sa umaga. Baka maglagkit yung face ko. So, I only use it at night kapag ginagamit ko to. So, that is it for my skincare routine. So, sana nakatulong sa inyo and explain ko ng maayos. Malapit nang malobat yung camera ko, but just in time. So, I do hope that this video would be helpful for you. But again, consult your dermatologist before trying the products I shared with you today. So, wag niyo akong tularan kasi sinabi ko lang. Skincare is a case-to-case basis. So, depende kung anong kailangan ng skin nyo. So, make sure mag-consult muna kayo before trying a new skincare product. So, that is it, loves, for today's video. Sana na-enjoy nyo tong video na to. And ayan, hindi na kayo magtatanong sa akin kung anong skincare ko because I already revealed it to you. So, I hope you do enjoy this video and I'll see you again on my next one. Bye, loves!